Hello everybody, KG here, founder of the Internet Money Crypto Wallet. And today we are talking auto token detection. Now this is an exciting update that has been long awaited and heavily requested by our community. And today I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough and show you some of what it does. Now, if you've been a member of our community for some time, you know that when our community speaks, we listen. Let's jump right into it.
Got my own keys and my own coins. Gotta protect this money. This internet money. This internet money.
Here we are today on our Chrome extension. This feature will be exactly the same whether you are a Chrome user, an Android, or iOS user. We're going to start today's walkthrough on Ethereum. One really awesome thing about our auto token detection feature is that it currently exists on 36 different blockchains. So even though I'm showing you Ethereum for this example, you know that this will work in the exact same way for 36 chains in total. And we have plans to continue expanding that support. So if the blockchain you want to see supported is not supported, let us know and we'll make sure that it ends up on our list. I'm going to click into my account here. And the first time that you open up an account, you will see this pop up. Internet Money will detect that you have tokens in your account that you have not added to your account yet. So you can click on Add Tokens and it'll bring you to this menu. Now, there is a very important warning here that I'm not going to read the entire thing. What this is effectively saying is that even though we are detecting and showing tokens that are in your account on chain, we cannot verify all of the tokens that show up here. We have put some spam filtering in place, but the issue with making the spam filtering too intense is that you can end up filtering out real projects that don't meet some arbitrary criteria. So when using this feature, always make sure to verify the full contract address of any token you are importing into your wallet, as well as it is highly recommended that you do not interact with tokens that you don't recognize. A couple of things to walk through here. You can refresh this list anytime by clicking these arrows. So if someone sends you crypto or you send yourself crypto from another account, whatever the reason may be, you can refresh the list of detected tokens by clicking this right here. You're also able to select individual assets, or you can select all assets by clicking Select All. And you'll see that we show you how many you have selected. You'll also be able to see the asset ticker, name, total value of your holdings, the actual units of tokens that you're holding, as well as a truncated contract address, or you can click this copy button to copy the full address and you can verify it on the Block Explorer or whatever site that you trust. We're going to go ahead and import all 5 of these tokens here. Now you're going to see a secondary warning that reiterates the other warning on the main modal, where you'll have to type in that you understand. So you have to type in I understand. And if this is something you want to remind you every time you import a token, you can just click I understand. But if you don't want to see this message again, click on this checkbox here and this message won't pop up anymore. Internet Money imports all the tokens directly into your account. You have price tracking for all of the assets, logos. You get to see your portfolio change on an asset level as well as a total account level. And same thing if you go back to the home screen. If there are multiple accounts with values here, it would aggregate across all of them. So now let's check out another network. We're going to switch to PulseChain. And you'll see that we got the new tokens detected pop up again. So this is going to pop up once per chain as you get new tokens into your account. This message will pop up periodically, so you'll see it throughout your time using Internet Money. We're going to click on Add Tokens. And again, in this account, you can see that these are the tokens that I have in this account on PulseChain. So we'll select all, import tokens, and you can see just like that, it imports all the tokens into your account with logos and price tracking. We have price tracking for over 70 different blockchains for every single asset on that blockchain. And we have logos for more than 80% of all assets on EVM chains. We are one of the most comprehensive wallets in the crypto space when it comes to asset pricing and asset logos. Another note, you can access the detect tokens modal and information anytime by clicking on these three dots within your wallet, clicking on add tokens, and navigating to detect tokens. And if I had new tokens to detect, they would pop up here. Also, if I remove tokens from my account, go back to add tokens and detect tokens, you'll see that those tokens will show back up on the detect tokens list where you can import them again anytime. It really is that quick and that easy. Here at Internet Money, we are constantly implementing new ways for our users to safely and securely navigate the world of crypto while also making the experience easier, faster, and better. If you're new to Internet Money or are interested in giving us an opportunity to be your crypto wallet, we would greatly appreciate that opportunity. And you can download us on Google Chrome, Androids, or iOS devices. Auto token detection is here. We hear you, community. Coming out soon is all chains mode. So make sure you hit the follow, subscribe, notification bells, all the good things so you can stay up to date when our next exciting feature drops. If there's anything you want to see in Internet Money, let us know because again, we build for our community. My name is KG, and until next time, peace.
Got my own keys and my own coins. Gotta protect this money. This internet money. This internet money.